Hello? Anyone there?
Yeah.
I gonna eat? Okay.
Come on in.
How are you? ¿Cómo estás?
I'm good.
You good?
We good, bro. Hey, smells good up in here. Cooking up something nice.
You know it. I'm gonna make sure that boy has a homecoming he ain't never gonna forget.
I dug up these sweet treats from the last adventure. Where can I plate them?
She's always digging up these sweet little treasures.
Oh yeah? No.
Here, Belle, I got something for you.
Thank you.
Man,
Eh.
hey, she doesn't give me a break, bro.
What?
Hey, I know you seen the game last night. Woo!
That was beautiful.
Nothing but net.
Yeah.
They're going the distance this year.
Sorry, Toronto's gonna go to the distance.
I said it.
You understand what happens to a Toronto team when they reach the playoffs, right?
I don't want to relive the past. Looking towards the future.
Okay, you look towards your future because it involves you watching this pot for me while I go downstairs and get some more rice. all
I
right,
got
brother?
you. No
Oh,
problem.
can you do me a favor? Get the coffee beans for the cafecito, por favor?
Coffee beans, cafecito.
Thank you.
Got you.
Don't even think about it. Oye, compórtate.
No comporta.
Te voy a dar un largazo.
I like when you talk like that.
Coño. Compórtate.
Compórtale. I don't want to comport.
Tienes que comportarte ahora mismo. Compórtate. Just got home. Oye. You okay? You look like you just saw a fantasma. Where's the coffee? The café?
I think I just saw Ahmed downstairs with.
Wait, who?
I don't know who she was.
Oh.
We don't do this. Mishfil Beiti. Not in my house.
Come on, man. You didn't have a sweetheart at that age?
Not unless I wanted to see my father's belt. I didn't.
My mother's slipper.
I could cut the testosterone with the knife right now.
Bubba!
Baby, I missed you.
You're so skinny now.
Oh, Bubba, come on.
Don't say that. Look at this
Right.
man. He's huge.
You're not eating at all.
How you doing, brother?
I'm eating enough.
Good.
Look at him.
Look at him.
How are you? Good.
Let me ask you something.
Yeah.
فين كفية بتاعك? Where's your كفية?
Bubba, there's somebody I want you to meet.
Hi, Mr. Sturdy.
What is this?
Who? Who is this?
Bubba, are you really gonna do this now?
Do what? What have I done except spend 2 days preparing food for you? And you surprised me with this?
So, that's my name.
And is that Miss?
No, it's not Miss.
Bubba, you're acting very childish right now.
Ibn al-Nas!
Bet you real fun at parties?
Michael, maybe you should just.
I want to watch this.
So first you're gonna give your grandfather's kafia away and then you're gonna show me how to cook his food?
All my life you told me you hated Sido. And you hate his rules. What now? What changed? My whole life you said you hate him and you hate his rules.
Rules that I never enforced on you. And what do I get from it? Do you know what your cousins went through to get this to you?
He does.
Miss, I don't know what
Not
you...
Miss.
What did you say to me?
I said it's not Miss.
You're gonna let her speak to me in my house like this?
Excuse me, Mr. Srushi. Respectfully. My mother immigrated into this country.
It was not easy for her. She gave up a really good job so that I could have a better life. She sacrificed a lot. And now I get to live the freedoms of expressing the way that I am. And I think you did that for your son, so I don't know why you can't understand that. Why you can't give that to the man that I love.
Yeni aid love.
Yeah, love.
Who do you think you are? No.
I love
You don't. Do you think you're the first person to feel this way? We don't get to do this.
Baba.
We don't get to do this.
Baba.
We are not allowed. We don't get to be this.
Baba, please.